I'm live. You're live? Two live streams at once, okay. Come on downstairs. Skittles is gonna head downstairs. I'm gonna start running this, okay? What I did here is I installed a valve. I'm having him go downstairs, and we capped this yesterday. This is flooded downstairs. I've done several videos showing the problems here. Really, the whole pipe should be replaced going downward, but you'll have to tear apart the downstairs. Anytime I hook up to an inferior product, I'm calling it temporary, because we should have PVC going down there. Doesn't mean this won't work for some time, but I'm not calling it a repair. I'm going to turn this on. Oop, we got a leak. This is why we test it. So we've got a leak below my repair. So it has failed the initial test, and we've got to see if there's another way we can repair this, or if it's just got to get demoed all the way through to downstairs would be the next step. But I'm going to try another trick here to help this, and we'll see if I can make it happen or not.